Do you suffer from sciatica? If so, how you lift can really affect how you feel. So today Cheryl's going to help me demonstrate some proper lifting techniques. Hey, I'm Dr. Dave Easler with Trinity Chiropractic in Glendale. Proper lifting is important not only if you have sciatica, but for everyone, all the time. You want to make sure that you guard and protect your back. Okay, Cheryl's going to show us how not to lift first. When you go to pick something up, you don't want to just bend over at the waist because that puts a lot of stress on your lower back, puts more pressure on those discs, and especially if you have sciatica, that's going to make that flare up. If you don't have sciatica, it can trigger it. Okay, so a couple of simple tips for lifting. Just walk up to whatever it is that you're going to pick up, get as close to it as you can, and instead of bending forward, you want to squat down. Bend your knees, grab it, pull it in close, and then lift up.
Keep your back nice and straight and use your legs to do the lifting.
That's how you want to do that. Okay, now she's going to show you one other technique. Okay, and this, you come up to the item that you're going to lift, kneel down in front of it, and then slide it up your thigh. And again, gently go from kneeling to standing. We hope these two tips help you. And if you or someone you know is suffering from sciatica, please click on the link below. We're currently running a new patient special for those of you who come from this video and take us up on this offer. On the next page, there'll be a spot for you to fill in your name, your phone number, and your email address, and then somebody from our office will reach out to you and get your appointment scheduled. If you're suffering from sciatica, please take us up on this offer. Thanks for watching.